Now, another thing that uses a lot of those energy dollars around your home is heating your water. That's why a lot of consumers are finding out how energy efficient a tankless water heater can be.
Did you know that for every energy dollar you spend on your home, a full 25% of it goes to heating water? So it just makes sense for you to try to find some way to reduce that cost, right? A tankless water heater that gives you hot water on demand is the best solution. These have been around for several years, and of course the biggest complaint is they cost about 3 times more than a conventional heater. But they're still worth the cost because of the money you're going to save in heating water. To better illustrate it, with a conventional water heater, it's like trying to heat this glass of water with all of these candles. And to keep the water hot, the candles have to keep burning, or you're continuing to pay for energy. With a tankless, however, and don't try this at home, the energy is expended only when you need it, and look at this. Almost instantly you've got that hot water, it's on demand, and when you're done, you're not using energy.